Two very different people united in one goal are making a difference. A world away, a Nigerian professor and a Rockville rabbi working to give people in need a chance to succeed. Shannon Bream has our What's Working report.
These are the faces of Nigerian men and women seeking information and opportunity. Rabbi Howard Gorin saw them firsthand during a trip to Nigeria in 2004 and returned to the States determined to make a difference.
See, a lot of people go and they see the poverty and they meet the people and they fall in love with the people and they make promises. And the promises largely go unfulfilled.
Little did Gorin know, but a passionate Nigerian native and professor at Montgomery College, Dr. Christiana Okechukwu, was hard at work trying to send materials back to her homeland where she continued to see enormous needs.
I knew how much giving them books was helping. So I started book drives here. My colleagues at Montgomery College started giving me books to send home.
And it was one of those colleagues who saw a match made in heaven, urging Okechukwu to contact her rabbi about the efforts in full swing at the Tikvat Israel congregation. Together, they began collecting books and computer equipment and shipping it back to Nigeria.
When we join forces, we accomplish a lot. He has the money, he has the connections. I have the Nigerian front. I can negotiate myself and my way around the custom and get the things out in a very quick time.
They're very excited. What did one person call it? A tsunami of knowledge.
Okechukwu has established a permanent learning center in the city of Enugu where the books and computers can be put to use. And Rabbi Gorin is also helping the locals set up internet cafes.
This will allow them to generate income for themselves and their communities, but also will give them access to all the resources on the World Wide Web, both spiritual resources and professional resources in terms of networking.
Okechukwu says it would take her about 2 years to save the money needed to cover each shipment, roughly $13,000. But now, the congregation's kindness coupled with her know-how has created a highly effective effort.
I'm thrilled because I feel I'm making a difference.
In Rockville, Shannon Bream, News 4.
We want to know what's working in your life and your community. Send us